Well, as I said, we're officially over time now, and I know we didn't get to everything we wanted to talk about, but I feel like we covered some terrific ground here. I want to give you each an opportunity to just kind of give us a concluding thought or offer up some pithy or pithy nuggets of wisdom for our audience as we close things out here today. So Kayla, I'll allow you to go first since you're big on my screen right now. What are your kind of parting shots for our audience?
I definitely say, we don't know if there's going to be another pandemic, but having sites kind of learn from what was shown through the pandemic is definitely going to make us more robust in the future. So lessons learned all around on, all the way from supply chain to manufacturing is going to be good to help us later on, and investing in different things might pay out.
Yeah. How about you, Zoltán?
Yeah, I think one of the exciting things is that we have used the platform technology, which, or at least I believe it's a platform technology, but it still has to be demonstrated as a platform. But it would be nice to see, I think, multiple mRNA-based products coming on the market and see how this becomes really a platform, right? And combining that with automation and just more efficient processing to reduce footprint of these production lines, I think that would be quite interesting. And that's also what we're working on at the moment. So I think it's all lots of exciting things to come.
That's outstanding. You guys are both doing terrific work, super important work. I really appreciate you coming on and spending the time with me today and with our audience. We got a lot of great feedback here and some terrific questions for you guys, and you both did wonderfully. So thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you, Matt.
Thanks also to all of you who joined us in the audience, and especially those of you who post such great questions. A huge thanks again to Cytiva for supporting today's program. As a reminder to our audience, this event will be available on demand, that is, in about 24 hours using the same link that you used to join today. Please share it with your colleagues. If you're into immuno-oncology and therapeutic vaccines, by the way, you'll want to make a plan to join us for our next Bioprocess Online live discussion, which is May 23rd at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can register for that, I believe, right here in the webinar interface before you log out. We'll see you there. Thanks again for joining us, and have a great week.